First, we must give the credit to this man, Atiku Abubakar. He is not only prepared, he is ready and is willing to walk the talk, and is already walking the talk. While some of them are still busy doing ethnic meetings, some are busy doing corporate begging in the name of go fund me. Atiku has hit the campaign trail and is making his mission statement available to all Nigerians. World leaders, foreign embassies are courting him to hear the plans he has for Nigeria, knowing fully well that this is the only person that is prepared to take over governance come February next year. Now, it is this same sense of entitlement that is worrying the APC leadership. Look at what happened in Kaduna when the PDP went for campaign. Armed thugs invaded the venue. They were stabbing people. Till today, the police is here to tell us what it did or what it has done with those it apprehended. Only a fortnight ago, same thing of entitlement spirit of mentality happened in Borno. The pressure convoy was attacked. These are things we Nigerians concerned about the health of our democracy should be more bothered about. Not if I didn't sleep well because of I was thinking about what is not possible. We should be thinking about what is good and safeguards our democracy. Let's not be emotional. You see, 90% of Peter Obi followership are Nigerians that just want a change. Nigerians that just want good governance, that want breath of fresh air, but they are being sold a dummy. Peter Obi, with all due respect to him, is not the person that we think we need right now. Fine, he has been able to package himself and say, which is go and verify, which we have also found out that 60% or 65% of his go and verify are all false. See, a man that can lie over honorary research and shoes can lie about anything. Now let's talk about the investment he made. That 75 billion inflation now entered it and really entered it. Fine. There will always be argument on both sides of the divide. There can always be argument on both sides of the divide. But let me tell you, sir, I beg to tell you, sir, if that money was not tied down to any investment or anything, creation of wealth and given to prudent managers, Shell Petroleum, what's it called again? Andela. There are so many blue chips industries today, startups today that even have 75 billion as startups. And they are still existing for over 10, 15, 20 years, are still making profits and are now multi-billion quoted investments. So it is either a daft investment or a smart investment he might have made. But on the strength of whichever he has made, I can't comment until I hear what his governor had to say. But what I know for fact is that Peter Obi is a scam. Not
How?
because now what I've said is this: it's like the Bible saying, "He who is faithful in little will be faithful in much." He who is that there's no small lie or big lie or big sin or small sin. A sin is a sin. The man has told us he had only one house until all these papers, this Panama papers came out and exposed that to be a false claim. He has said he had only one research for 10 years, and we saw pictures of his different researches at different times. He has made so many that he was given the best an award for the best health investment in health or whatever, and fact checked 13 months for over 13 months doctors were on strike in the states, and no such award was given to him at any point in time. So let me tell you, sir, I know he wants to win or he wants to look like Angel Obi before Nigerians, but he's not Angel Obi. His name is Peter Obi. Let him show Nigerians his true color. I know Nigerians want good governance. I don't even blame any Nigerian that is supporting him now. The only thing I will say is that open your eyes, assess this man thoroughly and very subjectively
Go
and
and verify.
objectively.